The iScooter X5 Plus Foldable Adult Electric Scooter is a premium high-performance e-scooter designed for riders who demand both power and practicality. Built with precision engineering and advanced technology, the X5 Plus combines a robust 1000W motor, a long-lasting 48-volt 17.5 Ah lithium battery, and a strong yet portable folding frame, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting, long-distance rides, and recreational use. At its core, the 1000W brushless motor delivers powerful acceleration and smooth performance, allowing the X5 Plus to reach speeds of up to 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour. This motor ensures strong torque for tackling inclines, quick takeoffs, and efficient cruising, providing a responsive and exhilarating ride every time. Whether navigating city streets or open pathways, the motor offers a perfect balance of speed, efficiency, and reliability. The 48-volt 17.5 Ah high-capacity lithium battery gives the X5 Plus exceptional endurance, supporting a maximum range of 60 to 70 kilometers, 37 to 43 miles, on a single charge, depending on rider weight, terrain, and riding style. Its Intelligent Battery Management System, BMS, provides comprehensive protection against overcharge, over-discharge, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring both safety and battery longevity. The charging time of approximately 7 to 9 hours allows you to easily recharge overnight and be ready for the next day's ride. Built for strength and stability, the iScooter X5 Plus features a high-grade aluminum alloy frame that combines lightweight design with outstanding durability. The scooter's large 10-inch vacuum pneumatic tires provide superior shock absorption, traction, and comfort on various surfaces, from city roads to slightly rough terrains. These tires enhance stability and reduce vibrations, ensuring a smooth, safe, and enjoyable ride even on uneven paths. The X5 Plus is also equipped with a dual braking system, combining front and rear disc brakes with eABS electronic braking technology. This advanced braking setup ensures precise control, shorter stopping distances, and enhanced safety in all riding conditions. Additionally, the front and rear suspension system absorbs road impacts effectively, giving you a stable and comfortable riding experience even at higher speeds. For smart control and convenience, the iScooter X5 Plus features an intelligent LCD display that provides real-time data such as speed, battery level, distance, and riding mode. The scooter includes multiple riding modes: Eco, Standard, Sport, allowing you to adjust performance and energy consumption according to your needs, whether you prefer longer range or maximum speed. The foldable design of the X5 Plus adds to its practicality. It can be easily folded within seconds, making it simple to carry and store in small spaces such as car trunks, offices, or apartments. Despite its powerful motor and large battery, the scooter maintains a relatively compact and portable profile, perfect for riders on the move.